In this video, we will demonstrate how to attach a headboard to your Sosta bed frame. This process is the same for both the twin and the full-sized Sosta bed. Assembly should take less than 10 minutes to complete. The only tool necessary to attach the headboard is a 4mm hex wrench or a 4mm hex bit to use with your own hand drill. For each headboard you ordered, you should have also received 2 brackets, 4 small screws, and 2 large screws. Notice that the brackets have a long end, a medium end, and a short end. For this assembly, the medium end will point toward the top of the headboard. When attaching the brackets to the headboard, use the small screws. Insert 1 screw into the hole just above the joint of the bracket, and 1 screw into the bottom hole of the bracket. Repeat this process on the other side of the headboard. The headboard brackets will connect to the platform through these slots. Ensure that both brackets are in the slots before pushing them all the way in. If you are unable to push the headboard all the way in on your own, you can use a rubber mallet to help you. Flip the bed onto its side to screw the headboard brackets to the bed platform. Lock the bracket into place by screwing in one of the large screws. Repeat this process on the other side of the bed. Congratulations! You've just attached a headboard to your Sosta bed. Next, we will demonstrate how to attach a sideboard to your Sosta bed frame. This process is the same for both the twin and the full-sized Sosta bed, and is mostly the same for the full sideboard, 3/4 sideboard, and 1/3 sideboard. Note that the full sideboard only has holes on the bottom edge to connect to the bed platform. Flip the bed onto its side to screw the sideboard to the bed platform. Using the large 2-inch long screws, attach the sideboard to the bed platform. Using the small 1.6-inch long screws, partially screw the sideboard into the headboard. This ensures that everything is properly lined up before tightening the screws all the way. Congratulations! You've just attached a sideboard to your Sosta bed. And remember, you can follow this same process for attaching a 3/4 sideboard or for attaching the 1/3 sideboards.